Did you know that this temple we are standing in wasn't always here?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm exploring one of Egypt's most fascinating temples, the Philae Temple in Aswan. This ancient temple was almost buried underwater forever, but it was rescued and moved to a new island. In this video I'm going to see it for myself.
Hello guys, so I am currently in Aswan and so far I am really loving it. I'm just coming out from the souk right now and it's quite an interesting city so far. So this is the streets of Aswan, as you can see. Here's one of the coolest McDonald's right in front of me. Assalamu alaikum. Shukran, shukran. And it looks like it's not only McDonald's right here. Another shukran, shukran. Oh, here's the entrance. This is actually a very good location for a McDonald's, you know. So I think this is supposed to be the entrance. And I think I should come check out this place. Let me just go in. Hello. She's scared of me. I don't know why. Wow. This is beautiful. I think that's the hotel, Movenpick. Wow, this is a very good place to, you know, have lunch. Should I have lunch here? I don't think so. I would prefer to have a local lunch. I think it's gonna be more interesting. And I'm just try going down, check out the whole place. Shukran, shukran, shukran. Really interesting place, you know. Sit down and just. So right now I'm heading to the Philae Temple.
I'm arriving at the entrance of the Philae Temple, getting my ticket and heading inside. To reach the temple, you actually have to take a boat across the Nile, and it's not free. The official price is 450 Egyptian pounds per ride, no matter how many people share it. So it's always better to come in a group and split the cost. Since I'm alone today, I'm paying the full 450 Egyptian pounds. I'm trying to find a boat, but you won't believe what this man is telling me.
Huh? 600.
No way I'm paying that. After a little back and forth, we finally agree, and now who's taken me across the river? We're gliding over the calm Nile waters, and I can already see the temple in the distance, standing tall on its own island.
You can see it right there up in the hill. وهنا في تمساح وأسماك موجودين. So the temple is right here, and we're going through here and then cross to the other side.
Finally, we arrived.
So we're here. So yalla, let's go. تمام. So here we are, Philae Temple. What is this? Ah, interesting. I'm really curious to see this place. I've always wanted to be here. Oh my god, look at this views behind me.
That's what I thought. That's right.
You know, whenever I see such places, first thing that comes to my mind is how were they able to build it so huge? You know, even while having the modern technology and all, building something like this is just, not an easy thing at all. They were able to do it thousands of years ago. This is why Egyptians are believed to be one of the greatest civilizations in history. I'm not sure where to start from. Okay, I think it's that way. Okay, I think I'm gonna go this way and then to the other side. What is this? Sacred bark gaze. Not sure what it is. Okay, I think I came through the wrong place. I was supposed to go through the other side. Let's go check out. Wow. This place is huge. Nigeria.
Meet Mr. Gamal in a moment, he's going to show us around.
Welcome to Nigeria.
Thank you.
هنا معبد إيزيز وأوزوريس.
تمام.
هنا قدس الاقداس اللي كان خاص العباده بتاعت ايزيس. وتقعد تتعبد عليه. ازوري الجسم بتاعه موميا واضح رجل واحده. جسم. هنا حورس حط اصبعه في بقه رمز ان عيل صغير، فحطيت له عقد، حطيت له حاجه زي جعرانه رمز للحمايه. امه ايزيز واخده قرص الشمس. هنا ده الاله اوزوريس، ده مفتاح الحياه بتاع مصر. هنا التلتة جنوب الشمال نهر النيل، دي عصا السريان. هنا ناحية جدران المعبد من تحت إله النيل اسمه الإله هابي. هنا حورس إله سخمت، إله الحرب عند القدماء المصريين. هنا إيزيز عند أوزوريس. إيزيز أوزوريس give me my husband. ده قدس الأقداس اللي كان خاص العبادة بتاعت إيزيز. هنا بترضع الإله حورس ابنها، وأنسب واد الرضاع هو حورس، وحط على حجرة في الناحية اللي فوق. هنا إيزيز فوق رأسها الكبرى، ده رمز القوة ورمز العزيمة بتاعت إيزيز عشان تنصر على جوزها أوزوريس نقزوا من ناحية النيل. إن في نفس الوقت الإله ست لما قطع 14 قطعة وشوحوا في النيل، فإيزيز عملت جناح طائر فجمعت الأجزاء بتاعته من أنحاء أقاليم مصر. هنا دي الإله سخمة إله الحرب عند القدماء المصريين. المكان ده كان في المكان أجيليكا، تم النقز بتاعه من أجيليكا البيجة، قد 8 سنين، 4 سنين فك و4 سنين تركيب. أفتر تمبل قبطك شيرش كريستيان. مكان المعبد القديم أهان مكانه، شايف كده الحديد ده أهان مكان القديم.
This temple wasn't always here. Originally, it stood on Philae Island, but after the construction of Aswan High Dam, the rising waters of the Nile threatened to submerge it forever. To save it, UNESCO launched a massive rescue project. The entire temple was carefully dismantled into 40,000 blocks and rebuilt right here on Agilkia Island, higher and safer from the water. The atmosphere here is calm and magical. The mix of ancient walls and the gentle breeze from the Nile make it feel timeless. Aside of the temple, I'm just thinking how unbelievable it is that something built thousands of years ago still stands this beautifully today. Philae Temple isn't just a piece of history, it's a symbol of human effort, preservation, and the beauty of Egypt itself.
If you love the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And peace.